Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi.
So we are at a pretty interesting place, I would say. Probably the most, how would you say this word?
Immature?
Yes. This might be the most immature video that we may ever do.
But it's a good stop on I-44.
It is a great stop on I-44 here in Missouri.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We are at the Uranus Fudge Factory. I can't say it without laughing. Oh.
My family's going to love this. My dad and cousin,
Yes.
at least.
They really have fudge here.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll show you some sights and things of this place.
It'll be interesting.
It is very interesting. Very,
I've never
very
been
interesting.
here, so.
I never have either.
Okay.
They've got a space shuttle sitting outside.
All kinds of goofy looking stuff.
Dinosaurs. They have a mariachi band, it looks like, on top of a roof over there. And it looks like they have a sideshow museum.
Yeah.
So, it's going to be a pretty interesting video.
It'll be
And
fun.
we will get some fudge from Uranus. Had to do it. All right, we'll see you guys in a few. So we've made it inside, and as you guys can see, it's pretty decent size in here, and it's got a lot of items for sale. So we'll show you some of those things here in a minute. Okay, to start, we have some different nostalgic and novelty toys, like Gumby right there, and different putties, and they're basically just a bunch of gag gifts. I think that would be good for stocking stuffers. So yeah. Well, fudge isn't the only thing that they've got here in Uranus. They've also got some candy like suckers and different toffees and some saltwater taffies like over here. Here is your variety of fudge flavors from M&M to blueberry cheesecake, praline pecan, vanilla peanut butter, Rocky Road, Butterfinger candy, just to name a few. There's also a variety of shirts in the back, and prices range from different sizes, but they all have something unique on them as well. So they're neat. And here's another area with some shirts that have the same logos on the front. They're just long sleeved or sweatshirts or stuff that's possibly on clearance as well. So these are cool too. So we came across these metal lunch boxes, which are really neat. They got different designs on them. I think my favorite one's gotta be this one right here. Human organ for transplant. Ash.
Not all who wonder are lost.
She likes Not All Who Wonder Are Lost. A little Bigfoot action. So, and here's some kettle corn. Different flavors. So yeah.
I know you're ready for a fudge pack.
I am.
So how can I pack your fudge today?
I can't do that without smiling. So can I get half a pound of the cookies and cream?
Half a pound?
Yes. You're already ready.
Anything else for you?
Then half a pound of chocolate, please.
Chocolate. Is there anything else?
I don't think so.
So how would you like your fudge packed? Do you want want it nice and tight in a box or loose in a bag today, ma'am?
A box.
Pack it tight. Have you folks stroked our Johnson yet?
What?
Have you stroked our Johnson yet?
I don't think so.
So we have an orange cat outside. His name is Johnson, and he loves to be stroked in Uranus. So if you see him out there, you should definitely stroke him before you leave.
Okay.
But word of caution, if you stroke him just right, he'll try to go home with you, so be careful. And there you go, folks. Thank you for letting me pack your fudge
you.
today. Have a good day.
You too. So we're back after going through the Uranus Fudge kind of gift shop and also the sideshow museum circus deal.
Yep. It was very interesting.
To say the least.
Yes. It was fun. I think we had a fun time.
Yeah.
But it's definitely a place to stop if, like, you're on the road for a while and you don't want to just go to that typical gas station. You can pull in here. You don't need to get there. They don't have gas, but you can pull in here, and they've got like drinks and fudge and candy and all this other stuff that you can get.
It's a very gimmicky place.
It is a very gimmicky
fun,
place.
Honestly.
Yes. Like when you walk in, they go, "Welcome to Uranus. How can we pack your fudge today? How can we grab your nuts?" Or some nuts or something like that. And it was just like, what? And
we got a ornament for our travel tree.
We did get an ornament for our travel tree. So I
So.
think we need to do a video on that, don't you?
Maybe.
Okay.
But we did.
We need to stack more ornaments on it first.
Yeah.
So.
But we did get some fudge.
Yes.
And this is how it comes packaged. She actually asked if we wanted it wrapped up tight.
Or loose in a bag.
So,
We're gonna try.
yes. We're gonna try the Oreo, like cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream.
Yeah.
And they had different flavors like butter pecan, peanut butter, caramel, and
You want a big piece
those
of this?
things like that. And oh, you're gonna ask.
You want a big piece or no?
I mean, I guess I'll take
There
a
you
big
go.
piece. Oh, okay. That's good.
Is it?
Did you just break it all?
I did.
Oh,
No,
no.
I broke a piece off.
Oh, okay. It's really good.
I really like that.
It tastes kind of like the Hershey's cookies and cream bar. And look at this thing. It's not small. I mean, this is a quarter of a pound of fudge. So, how much was half a pound?
$8.50.
$8.50 for half a
But
pound.
they break it up in halves.
Yeah, well, quarters.
Or quarters, yeah.
Because this is a quarter of a pound.
And so we actually originally got that for us. And my dad some chocolate fudge.
But we decided to split it and
Yeah.
give him that.
So then
And then
he
we're
can
going
get
to try
a
some of
different
this chocolate
kind. Yeah.
fudge now. Are you on the struggle bus there? Do you want me to help? Oh, she got it.
Ooh, it's melting a
Oh,
little
no.
bit. It's a little warm outside.
Yeah,
So.
we got in the car and it was kind of hot. And okay.
It's good. It tastes like a brownie.
A little bit like a brownie, or like chocolate cupcake icing.
With the icing on the brownie.
Yeah, that's actually like the icing on the brownie is what it really tastes like. Like not like the. I like the
other
cookies
one.
and cream better. Yeah,
But I mean, like, it's still good. Don't get me wrong.
I'm not a huge fan of fudge, but that's not too bad.
And
Especially
you
from
don't even like white chocolate.
I don't like white chocolate
And that
except from
one-
Uranus.
Anyways, you have to say that.
We got to do that stuff. Yes.
So let's talk about the sideshow. How do you feel about it?
Gimmicky.
It is a little gimmicky, but you know what? It's just something fun.
I feel like somebody got in there and their crazy artistic side got a hold of them, and their taxidermied side, and just went, let's take this and this. Done.
Yeah, it's kind of neat. It's $6 a person. I honestly, like, if I came back here, I probably wouldn't skip it. But we did do it just to see what it was all about. I would definitely just go in the Fudge Factory gift shop stuff. They do have escape room. They have axe throwing. They have
axe throwing.
Yeah. I don't know where it is. We didn't see it, but it may be closed down right now. I like
axe throwing.
The escape room's closed right now. And then they have a shooting range. So that's pretty cool.
But it was closed. The shooting range was closed.
Yeah. It's their off season right now, even though it's spring break for most people right now. But it's really neat. So.
It really is. I enjoyed it. I think.
Trying to get my box closed for my fudge.
But yeah. So, anyway, guys. That being said, we hope you enjoyed the video. Do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button down at the bottom. And hit that bell notification button so that way you don't miss any of our other adventures. So, with that being said,
bring on the next adventure.
See you guys.